Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Jiayanu, Pakhair Agale, Ni Hao, Chunashumme, Washmale, Ohio Gonzaimas, Guten Morgen. Hola, bonjour, privyet, kaifa hal, hale shuma chatore, ahlan wasal marhaba. Buna, mucho gracias, Swabi, abballi kare, hosh gal, den anayo sayo, khuya mora, chivato, chihal, yod, kalimera. And a very warm welcome to everybody who's tuned into PTV World and are watching World this morning with the one and only Shahzad Hassan Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be thinking that why am I not in my studio and why am I not with my wonderful colleague, and there's a reason to it. And that is that there's been a lot of talk about Bakras these days, and we all know that, Bakra Eid is just around the corner. So what we wanted to do was that we wanted to put in our research and our effort and make sure that we give the best content to the viewers out there of PTV World, and there's a reason. So imagine that, a lot of people have been calling me, and ever since I was growing up, I used to go to the Bakra Mandi with my grandfather, let me put it this way, with my Dadabu. Which is why, so Alhamdulillah, I've accumulated a lot of knowledge over the years of how to kind of go bargain, check the goats, the cows, and the camels, and make sure that, Alhamdulillah, that animal which you're going to get for the sacrificial purpose is going to be fit for it. So what we have done is that first up, obviously, we need gloves, we need a cap, and we need sunglasses, and we need masks. So what we're going to do is that from here onwards, we're going to go towards the mandi, but make sure that we take with us that we take with us all sorts of equipment which we require, and it's a recommendation for people out there, because imagine that it's too hot these days that you really need to make sure that you're hydrated. So you certainly need a water bottle, gloves, because God forbid, you do not know how many animals out there are infected with different diseases. So you certainly do not want to take those diseases back home with you. So you really need to have that, what do we call it? I think this यार उसका क्या नाम है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं जो हम हाथों पे लगाते हैं, sanitizer. Yes, so we call it a sanitizer. We certainly need that. So what we are doing is that there's this one mandi this time around, and that's around Batta Chowk. So if you're coming from Rawalpindi, you obviously have to take the Peshawar road to make way towards that. And if you're going from Islamabad, so you certainly will have to take Srinagar Highway, and then from there take a U-turn and go towards that. And it's one of the biggest mandis. And thank you for all of those people who kind of came together and thought that, okay, within the city we shouldn't be having a Bakra mandi, which is why there's only one bigger mandi. We're taking you over there, and let's see, whether how to kind of shop or get a bakra for Bakra Eid, or a cow for Bakra Eid, or a camel for Bakra Eid. Let's go. First up, gloves, masks, cap, water, sanitizer, and glasses. Let's. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so finally we are over here at the Bata Chowk Bakra Mandi. That's what it's called. It's somewhat around I-14, and we've been sharing visuals with you where it is. But as I spoke about the essentials you really need to carry with you, before you come to the Bakra Mandi. Number one, obviously I'm going to put the mic down and get myself ready for the Bakra Mandi. Hey. All right. So, and what I would really want to kind of talk about over here is the spirit of sacrifice. So obviously it came to us from Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, and it's a religious ritual which we have to perform almost every year. And the spirit of sacrifice is for the needy, for the poor. That because what happens is that when you sacrifice a goat, there are three parts to it. So one obviously goes to your family and friends. One goes to the poor and the needy, the downtrodden segment of the people, so that they can have some mutton in their life and they can enjoy it. And one you can keep for your family as well. A lot of people, what they do is that they kind of give it all away, and it's totally on to you. And we do have a lot of gentlemen over here. So see, these are the goats which are over here. They're very nice. They're very good. Assalamu alaikum bhaiya. भाईजान कहाँ से आए ये बकरे? Talagang se. Okay, so what I've been asking him is that where did they get all of these goats from? So these goats are actually from Chakwal and Talagang, and they're quite healthy goats. So once you are in the Bakra Mandi, you really need to kind of check the kind of goats you want, and obviously according to your budget as well. They look very nice. They look very amazing, and you look at the color. So for a sacrificial animal, whenever you're buying a sacrificial animal, what you need to do is that you really need to kind of feel it from your heart. For a goat which you like the most, I think that's the one you're going to buy, because that's exactly what used to happen when we used to go with our grandfather. And so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to kind of give you that awareness that, okay, how do you check whether what's the age of the goat? So I'm going to request one of these individuals. See, imagine they're wonderful goats over here. So I'll have to go the other way around. Some are very tall and big, and there's a proper way of checking it. So how to check it is something which I would want to share with you guys. Look at this one, alhamdulillah, very healthy. And over here. So Baijan, इसके कितने पैसे मांग रहे हैं आप?
3.5 लाख.
3.5 lakh. So they're actually asking 350,000 rupees for this goat. The goat is really healthy. So what you do is that you check it from here, first of all. Obviously, I cannot put my entire hand on it because it's literally very healthy and it looks very docile. Because what you do is that you really want an animal which you take back home, because the kids play with them, the kids feed them, and you certainly want them to kind of not harm your kids. All right, so for all of those people who are out there, since you're watching this program on PT World and be the only English channel in the country, but in our country, most widely what the language spoken is Urdu, so I'll converse with him in Urdu and then I'll translate it for you in English. Assalamu alaikum.
जी वालेकुम सलाम.
भाईजान क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहम्मद साद नाम है जी.
साद भाई, आप भी तलागंग से आए हैं?
जी तलगंग से हूँ.
साद भाई को 2-4 सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. So Saad bhai is with me, even he's from Talagang. ये आपने घर पे पाले हैं बकरे सारे?
घर पे पाले.
So all of these goats were actually kind of looked after at their homes. It's not like that, that they had a cattle farm, so what, by saying कि यार घर पे पाले means that it's all organic. So nothing inorganic has gone into their feed or such sort of a thing, and which is why they look healthier and tall and whatnot. साथ में कौन-कौन सी बीमारी होती है बकरों में? अगर किसी ने बकरा खरीदने जाना है तो कौन-कौन सी बीमारी होती है बकरों में जिसका उनको ख्याल रखना है कि यार ये आप चेक कर लें?
जो सबसे खतरनाक बीमारी है बकरों में वो PPR की बीमारी है.
So the most fatal disease within the goats is PPR. वो क्या बीमारी है?
वो PPR की बीमारी ये है कि बकरे जोर-जोर से सांस लेते हैं, आगे पीछे होते हैं और उनके नाक से पानी आता है.
So the first thing you really need to check is whether, when you look at the nose of the goat, it shouldn't really have influenza, or, it shouldn't really be leaking water out of their nose, if that's the right term to use. And so we call it PPR, and what they do is that, they have difficulty breathing. So you need to check if the goat is breathing normally and, the nose is okay, there's no liquid coming out of their nose. ये होगी PPR. और अगली?
और इसके अलावा अगर बुखार हो या कोई जिस्म में दर्द वगैरह हो तो इनके कान ठंडे होते हैं. बाज़ दफ़ा मुंह में हाथ डाल के चेक करते हैं कि ज़बान ठंडी है या गर्म है.
Okay. So there's this other illness and disease, and that is that if you think that, God forbid, your goat might have temperature, what you do is that you have to look at their ears, check it by holding them, whether if they're cold, or otherwise check their tongue. If it's cold, that means that the goat has actually got temperature, and you certainly do not want a goat who's got temperature, because God forbid you take it back home. Unfortunately, if it doesn't survive, I think it's going to be an issue for everybody out there. और
इसके अलावा बाज़ दफ़े इनका पेट लूज हो जाता है, वो गंदम ज़्यादा खाने की वजह से या कोई गर्म चीज़ खाने की वजह से. तो ये एक मामूली बीमारी है, ये बआसानी जो है ना कंट्रोल हो सकती है. मेन जो मुश्किल बीमारी है वो PPR की ही है, जो हल करना मुश्किल है.
So one of the most fatal diseases is PPR, but otherwise, they can have loose motions or diarrhea as well. And it's just because of overfeeding them. तो अक्सर ये होता है कि जब बच्चे लेके जाते हैं पूरा दिन इनको पट्टे डालते रहते हैं, तो उससे भी क्या इनकी तबीयत खराब होने के मौके होते हैं?
तबीयत नहीं खराब होती, लेकिन यह है कि जिस वक्त हर वक्त इनके सामने ये पट्टे पड़े रहेंगे तो ये नहीं खाएंगे. बल्कि इनका एक टाइम, जिस तरह इंसान 2 टाइम पे खाता है, इसी तरह ये भी 2 टाइम खाते हैं.
लेकिन इंसान तो मेरा ख्याल है जब उनका दिल करता है खा लेते हैं. So what he's saying is that no matter how many times the kids are going to feed them, what's going to happen is that they eat by choice. So not like us that, that we have, because we have spoiled our taste buds, ladies and gentlemen. If it's a donut, if it's coffee, we can go for it every time. So, they're more sensible in those terms. अच्छा, आप मुझे ये बताएं कि इसकी उम्र कैसे चेक करते हैं?
जी, इसकी उम्र दांत से चेक करते हैं.
आप हमें करके दिखाएंगे जरा प्लीज. So we have to look at their teeth.
इसके दांत चेक करेंगे. ये दांत इसकी 6 के 6 दांत हैं. मतलब इसका ये है कि इसकी तकरीबन उम्र 2.5 साल है.
2.5 साल है.
जी.
तो जो दोंदा होता है,
जो दुंदा होता है बकरा, वो 12 महीने से लेकर 16 महीने के दरमियान के जो बकरा है वो दुंदा होता है.
ओके. और ओके, सो नाउ फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू अंडरस्टैंड, एक बार दोबारा से दिखाएं जरा, थोड़ी देर पकड़ के रखना पड़ेगा आपको So for their understanding, so imagine what happens is that you see all of these 6 teeth which are fully grown. So that means that the goat is actually somewhat around 2.5 years of age. So what happens is that if there are only 2 teeth, so what that means is that that the goat is somewhat around a year old or probably 14 months old, and there is a preference of people to get a goat which has actually got 2 teeth which are fully grown, and the reason is because that the mutton actually can be cooked very easily, or the meat can be cooked easily, and that's the sole reason. Otherwise, for sacrifice, you really do not have to think about all of these matters. अच्छा, और ये सींग विंग भी मैंने सुना है कभी जोड़े होते हैं, दांत भी नकली निकाले होते हैं, वो क्या तरीका होता है?
ये सींग जोड़ने वाली तो कोई बात नहीं, पता ना, दांत वाली सींग इनके बड़े हो जाते हैं बाज़ दफ़ा, तो वो हम काटते हैं, जो जिस्म में इनके मतलब लगते हैं, ज़ख्म होते हैं.
Okay. So these horns can actually overgrow, so at times they have to chop them off so that they do not hurt their neck or head or whichever part they're overgrowing. And so the teeth, with the teeth, what happens is that a lot of people, just to sell their goat, what they do is that they take out the teeth of the goat, or 1 or 2 they're going to take out just to pretend that the goat is not as old as it's being said. तो ये 3.5 लाख का है, अगर तो कितनी रियायत की गुंजाइश होती है?
तकरीबन इसमें 70,000 तक हो सकती है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
So okay, so 70,000 discount means that that the goat is going to come down to 280,000 rupees. It's a fairly very healthy goat. I think it weighs more than me now, and so obviously everybody has a budget. And when we speak of the budget for a goat, you would really need to make sure that you go to the right places. अब आपके पास तो जितने भी बकरे हैं, वो सारे बड़े और तगड़े बकरे हैं. तो
ये ठीक है, बाकी अक्सर बकरे जो है वो धुंधे और चौके हैं.
अच्छा, जो सबसे सस्ता बकरा है वो कितना है आपके पास?
हमारे पास जो सबसे सस्ता बकरा है वो 90,000 तक है.
Okay, so the cheapest goat you can get over here from Saad Bhai is for 90,000 rupees. आप दिखा सकते हैं कौन सा वाला है?
जी देखो.
So that we can differentiate in between a healthier and a very tougher goat over here, because people actually like to name goats. For example, this goat can be called Sultan Rahi. Because everybody has a budget, and even this goat looks very amazing. To be very honest, though, all right. See, so everybody needs to see that there are 2 teeth fully grown. That means that this goat is only a year or probably 14 months old. Thank you very much, Saad भाई, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. और अभी इनको आपने छांव में से रखा, गर्मी ज़्यादा है, तो जो लोग खरीद के लेके जाते हैं, तो वो अगर बाहर धूप में बांधेंगे तो क्या खतरा लाहक हो सकता है इनकी जिंदगियों को?
खतरा इनके मतलब कि मोशन वगैरह लग सकते हैं, और इसके अलावा फिर गर्मी की वजह से बुखार भी हो सकता है.
So God forbid, if they're not under the shelter in this scorching heat, they can have diarrhea and they can get temperature, which is not good for your goat. Thank you so much. Bahut shukriya. Fi maan Allah. Right, so I think I came across a very interesting bit over here at the Bakra Mandi in Bata Chowk, which is just around I-14. Imagine that there's been the use of technology everywhere, all over the world. I couldn't really think that people over here in Bakra Mandi will be taking such advantage of technology. Imagine, look at this, that we have a solar panel over here, that the people who come from far away, far-flung areas and brought their goats over here for our ease, they brought alongside them these solar panel plates so that they can turn on the fans, and so that their goats can relax, have and can pretty much enjoy, so they're not under the scorching sun. They can enjoy the air of the fan. So let's go and check out with other people what are the rates. So the most expensive one over here was 350,000. The discount comes to 270,000 or 80,000, and the cheapest goat was 90,000. But people can actually have a budget of 50,000, 60,000 as well. Let's see if we can get a goat in 50,000. Let's do it. All right, so in search of a goat for 50,000 rupees, ladies and gentlemen, I have failed so far. And this camp over here, Assalamu alaikum Bhaijan.
वालेकुम सलाम.
भाईजान, क्या नाम है आपका?
अब्दुल गफार.
गफार भाई, कहाँ से लेके आए बकरे?
तलागंग से.
Talagang se. Okay, once again, so we've come into a camp where the goats are from Talagang, and these are fairly healthiest I have seen by far in the mandi over here. Just look at them, I think this one weighs probably more than 70-80 kg. ਇਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਵਜ਼ਨ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ?
1 मन 30 किलो.
1 मन 30 kilo means 70 kg. Yes, I was. So हाँ, और कितने दांत है इसके? 5 मन? और नहीं 5 मन तो बैल में होते हैं चाचू. नहीं यार, नहीं. So he's saying that this probably weighs as much as a cow, which I don't know what to say. Probably a cow which is just grown or just born. So it's very different. की रेट मांग रहे हो?
ये तो मांग रहे हैं 4.5 लाख रुपये.
4.5 लाख रुपए. Only 500,000 rupees short of $1 million, ladies and gentlemen, if you want this goat. And it's a fairly very pretty goat, to be very honest. This one wants something. और इसके कितने पैसे मांग रहे हैं?
इसने 70,000
70,000. Okay, हाँ. Okay, so I think I'm close to getting my deal over here. इसके कितने दांत हैं?
2 दांत है.
2 दांत. Okay, so this one's a year old or probably a year or 14 months old. And इसका क्या नाम है?
चीनी.
Chine. All right, so they've named their goat Chine as well. अच्छा देखें मेरी बात सुने. मैं बकरा ढूंढने आया हूँ 50,000 रुपए का. ये 50,000 में होता है बकरा? तो ये नहीं, चीने नहीं मिलेगा 50 में. ये बहुत ज्यादा है. 70,000 में तो मांग रहे हैं. ये 50,000 में तो बकरी का बच्चा आ जाएगा ना फिर. अच्छा. Okay, so all the goats, obviously, to be very honest, are fairly very amazing over here. Okay, it's all right, we are friends, but you certainly do not have to give me hugs. Yes, it's okay. So 50,000 में बकरा होता है जी? या नहीं होता? कौन सा बकरा होता है 50,000 में? Okay, so they're giving me a goat for 50,000 rupees. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see, you can have a fair comparison. This is what you're going to get in 50,000 rupees. And this friend of mine over here likes me too much. But probably on next Eid I can afford you, okay? You know, this Eid I'll have to go with this one. इसके दांत दिखाएं जरा इधर कैमरे में please. Okay. इसका दांत नहीं है. Okay, so this is something which everybody needs to understand. So there's a problem with the teeth. You know, you just saw it. You know, there's one tooth missing, and that's not the kind of an animal you want for your sacrifice. So even if I can get it in 50,000 rupees, I'm not going to get it because that's not by definition what you want. And just look at this one, yeah, it's beautiful. And you know, the heart actually asks for things like these. थोड़ा सा अगर दूर से हम दिखा सकें, from a little far away, so people can understand. Imagine it's as tall as me. So imagine if it's going to put his legs over here, its legs over here, it's going to be taller than me. इसका क्या नाम है? Babbu Pehlwan. It's me. Just look at that, mashallah. And you know, if it's going to kind of climb on trees, you know, you will see how tall this goat is. The 50,000 one I've told you is not the goat which you would want because there was a tooth missing. So there shouldn't be anything missing in the goat. And that's it. बहुत शुक्रिया भाईजान. तो हमारा सौदा जो है, so I was unable to get it. And there's another technique to it. So what people do is that they wait for the Bakra Eid to be closer. So that, you know, what happens is because all of these gentlemen have come from far away and they have to go back for Eid. So what they do is that towards the end, obviously you might not get the best stuff, but you can still get it on a lower price because everybody's eager to go back home and spend Eid with their family. Wonderful. Shukriya Bhaijan. Bahut bahut shukriya. All right, so, you know, obviously a lot of people are coming in to get their animals, you know, for the sole purpose of the religious obligation of sacrifice. I've been joined with them. Assalamu alaikum Bhaijan, आपको क्या नाम है?
अरशद खान.
अरशद भाई, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
और साथ ही दूसरी जाने भी भाई मौजूद है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाईजान, आपका क्या नाम है?
ज़ियाउल्लाह.
Ziaullah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask them what do they have in their mind, what is the amount of cost that they're going to pay. अर्शद भाई, सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताएं कि आप बकरा देखने आए हैं, गायें, ऊंट क्या देखने आए हैं?
हम वैसे तो गाय देखने के लिए आए थे, वो देख के वापस आ रहे थे, रास्ते में ये नजर आए तो हमने कहा चलो बकरों की भी प्राइस पूछ लेते हैं.
Wonderful. So what he's trying to say is that they wanted to buy a cow, but because the prices were so high, so now they have decided that they're going to buy a goat as well. आपके ख्याल में बकरा कितने का होना चाहिए कुर्बानी के लिए? वैसे तो ऑब्वियसली
समझता हूँ कि ये मार्केट जो है ना 50 और 60 हजार रुपए की हो तो इसमें हर आदमी तकरीबन वो बाइंग कर सकता है. अदरवाइज जो जिस तरह ये लाख रुपए या 1,10,000 मांग
4 लाख रुपए के बकरे हैं सर.
वो प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा है.
Price बहुत ज़्यादा है. All right, so imagine that, you know, that they wanted to buy a cow for the sole purpose of sacrifice, but just because the prices were so high, you know, they've come down to goats. So, and he wants a goat in 50,000, 60,000 rupees, which on average is the budget. सर जी, आप क्या देख रहे हैं? आप भी गाय देख रहे हैं या बकरा देख रहे हैं?
बकरा देख रहे हैं जी.
क्या वजह है कि गायों का रेट बहुत बढ़ गया, इस वजह से बकरा देख रहे हैं?
नहीं, बकरा वैसे भी एक बकरा होता है, हमारी एक गाय होती है, तो अभी बकरा देख रहे हैं.
All right, so, you know, let me explain it to you. When you move on to a cow, you know, for sacrifice purposes, what happens is that there's 7 different parts to it. You know, so 7 people can contribute into a cow. You know, what people do is that obviously for your father, for your mother, for your dada abbu, nana abbu, you know, for your paternal and maternal grandparents as well. So what they do is that even for the deceased, ladies and gentlemen, you offer a sacrificial animal so that they are given that sawab and ajr by Allah Almighty into their graves and it's being reached over there. Sir, आपकी क्या range है?
मेरी है 50-60 तक.
सबकी रेंज यही है, मेरी भी वही थी, लेकिन मिल नहीं रहा 50-60 में। कुछ मिला आपको अभी तक?
मिल जाएंगे, अभी फिर रहे हैं ना कोई इंशाल्लाह। कोशिश कर रहे हैं, डिमांड तो बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि मिल जाएगा इंशाल्लाह।
अच्छा अरशद भाई, एक और टेक्निक भी होती है ना, ऑब्वियसली ही इज सेइंग दैट दे आर ट्राइंग दैट दे गेट अ गोट इन 50-60,000 रुपीस एंड पीपल विल गेट इट, इट्स नॉट दैट। एक टेक्निक और भी होती है कि ईद वाले दिन चले जाएं या चांद रात के ऊपर आ जाएं, तो चूंकि इन सब ने भी वापस ईद करने जाना होता है, तो ये सस्ते दामों फिर बकरे दे देते हैं।
प्राइस नीचे आ जाती है आखिरी दिन जो होता है, एक दिन कुर्बानी से एक दिन पहले, तो प्राइसें नीचे आ जाती है।
Exactly, and he's agreeing to that obviously just before a day of Eid, the price is going to come down. अच्छा, ये जो आप आज मंडी में हैं कि बच्चों ने आपको जोर जबरदस्ती की कि अबू ले गए, बकरा नहीं ले गया,
ऐसे है जनरली
कि एक दफा अंदाजा लगा लें जरा।
कि मार्केट में देखें कौन से अच्छे जानवर कहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं, उनको देखने के लिए आए थे।
एग्जैक्टली, एंड अरशद भाई, अक्सर क्या होता है कि हम इंतजार करते हैं कि बारिश हो जाए या कोई इस तरह का दिन हो जाए, या रात को दोस्त यार इकट्ठे जाते हैं कि शायद कोई अच्छी चीज मिल जाए।
यहाँ पे जिस दिन छुट्टी वाला दिन होता है, पब्लिक उस दिन नहीं आती है, अदरवाइज नहीं आती है।
Otherwise नहीं आती, obviously. So whenever it's a holiday, that's when they're going to come in, and they a group of people, because when we were growing up, amongst our grandparents, we could see that that what they would do is that they would plan at night because it was colder at night, and then people are more willing to give it away. They're awake all night, and it just feels like Eid. So being at Bakra Mandi is a part of Eid. Sir, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू।
Jazakallah. Okay, so this is a very different place to be at for me, but I've grown up with all of these very amazing, what do we call it, buntings, and these are the things which are used to decorate your goat. So when you get a goat, what you do is that you decorate them with such buntings and robes which are vibrant in color, and these bells we have over here. And what happened was that when we were kids and we were growing up, so what would happen is that if we would hear this, so if we would hear this, we would know inside our houses that there's a camel or a cow or a goat passing by, and we would rush outside, just to take a good look, because our grandparents wouldn't really get a goat, probably a week earlier, so it was only a day earlier that we were going to get a goat. But it was beautiful, and then, so you buy these buntings and collars to put on. It's not really religious. I don't know what the religious perspective might be on this one, but it's just for kids, that they want to make their goats look beautiful and pretty and whatnot. That's it. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the visuals you're watching on your television screen is actually of a sheep. In our language over here in Pakistan, we call it a dumba or lela, and that's what it's referred to. And according to the Sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim, it's being said that, it was actually a sheep which came in place of his son for the purpose of sacrifice. And people just buy these dumbas or these sheep just for the sake of fulfilling the same sunnah which Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam fulfilled. All right, so now we finally over here in the Bakra Mandi come to a part where you can get cows. And cows have always been very fascinating ever since growing up. We always wanted to have a cow, and alhamdulillah, we always got one as well. Allah was kind enough. And why people buy cows is that when you have a larger number of people who want to contribute towards the sole purpose of sacrificing, what they can do is that they can do it all together. So there are 7 portions in it, in a cow, whether small or big. And so that means that 7 different people can contribute in one cow. And it's always beautiful to see these magnificent animals, for the sole purpose of sacrifice, and they're just brilliant, alhamdulillah. And you always have to make sure that you never go, from the back side of the cow. And there's a reason, because they can actually hit you with their legs, so you always have to be very careful. Bhaijan, idhar aate hain, please. Assalamu alaikum.
जी वालेकुम सलाम।
भाईजान, क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहम्मद नुमान।
नुमान भाई, कहाँ से आए आप?
हम जिला टोबा तहसील कमालिया।
Alright, so they have come from Zilla Toba Tek Singh
जी जी तहसील
and Tehsil district, कौन सा?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट है टोबा, तहसील जो है आगे वो कमालिया है जी।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट टोबा टेक सिंह एंड तहसील कमालिया। एंड कौन सी नस्ल है बैलों की, जरा मैं अपने जितने भी देखने वाले उनको बताना चाहता हूँ।
देसी धन्नी नस्ल है, जो लोकल पंजाब की ना देसी धन्नी नस्ल है।
ओके, सो दिस इज द लोकल देसी धनी ब्रीड ओवर हियर। एंड कितना वजन होगा अंदाजन इसमें?
इसका तकरीबन 6.5 मन जी।
6.5 मन?
जी जी
6.5 मन। एक मन गालबन 40 किलो का होता है।
जी जी बिल्कुल ऐसे।
So 6.5 man, ladies and gentlemen, 6.5 multiplied by 40 kgs, that's how much it weighs. और जरा दांत शान दिखाते हैं कि कितने दांत का है और कितने पैसे मांग रहे हैं इसके?
इसके 4.5 लाख, 2 दांत है।
450,000 rupees for this। थोड़े ज्यादा नहीं है इसके लिए?
नहीं वो इसमें यह है कि प्यार मोहब्बत कर लेंगे जब कोई भाई लेने वाला आएगा तो ये फाइनल तो नहीं है
हाँ।
ये तो डिपेंड करता है लेने वाले पे जब वो आएंगे तो उसमें फिर वो बहस होगी सारी बात है जो हमने बोले हैं वो हमें मिलने नहीं तो सौदा बनाएंगे जी मिलके इंशाल्लाह
All right, so I think I like his approach. You know, what he's trying to say is that, you know, for 650,000 or 450,000 is not final. And you do realize that, you know, previously we have shown in the goat section that there was a goat which was being sold for 450,000 and it weighs pretty much more. Then 7 people can participate in one Qurbani. I think that's the most beautiful part of it. And the approach part is good because he says that, you know, whatever we ask for, we're not going to get that. So there's always a lot of concession, there's a lot of bargain, and there are a lot of people who actually play their role, and there are a lot of stakeholders, which is why, you know, so पहले इसके दांत जरा दिखाएं, ये 2 दांत आपने कहा है, and same goes, you know, when we spoke of the teeth, ladies and gentlemen, it actually goes, so ये 2 दांत है, okay? So you can see over here that it's 2 teeth, you know, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये 12 महीने से 14 महीने के बीच का है.
नहीं ये 2.5 साल का है
2.5 साल का. तो बकरा जो जिसके 2 दांत होते हैं वो 14 महीनों का होता है,
14 महीने का होता
और जो गाय जो है वो 2.5 साल की होती है,
2.5 साल की
28 महीनों की तकरीबन. All right, so you know this is where the distinction is in between. So imagine that if a goat has like 2 teeth fully grown, that's what we call a donda over here. Even in this part, you know, we're going to call him a donda. But a goat who's got the 2 fully grown teeth means that it's only 14 months old. But a cow means that it's 28 months old. हाँ जी, और ये 6.5 लाख हो गए. इधर जरा 4.5 लाख. इधर आते पीछे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाईजान, ये मार मूरी ना दे.
नहीं बस हल्का सा वैसे है मारता नहीं है अभी वो आए हैं
देखना. And you know there's a reason why they actually have this rope over here, and the reason of having this rope over here is to kind of just gain that control because they're very powerful and they can hit you at times, you know, and we call it nakel. इसको नकेल ही बोलते हैं.
जी जी बिल्कुल
इसके
नहीं
कितने दांत हैं?
इसके 4 हैं
इसके 4 दांत हैं, and it's fairly very beautiful as well. और ये भी same नस्ल है धनी,
जी बिल्कुल
and it's the same breed, the धनी breed as well. अंदाजन कितना डिस्काउंट हो सकता है? अब 4.5 लाख में से बंदा डिस्काउंट कराते भी शर्माता है.
4.5 लाख नहीं इसका 5.5 है क्योंकि इसका वेट जो है ना वो 7 मन प्लस है
Mashallah. So this one weighs more than 7 mon, which means 7 multiplied by 40 kgs. Ladies and gentlemen, obviously weighs quite a lot. It's a fairly pretty and beautiful animal, and you certainly do not want them to get out of control. मतलब 5 लाख में 5.5 लाख में कितना डिस्काउंट बंदा कहे? शर्म ही आएगी ना मुझे. मैं आपको कहूँ जी 2 लाख, और होता होगा ये आपके साथ.
नहीं बिल्कुल ऐसे होता है 1.5 लाख भी लगा जाते हैं लोग लगाने को क्या है जी वो तो लोगों
कभी ऐसा है मजबूरी में इतना बड़ा जानवर 1.5 लाख में दे ही दिया हो?
नहीं ये पॉसिबल नहीं है हम वापस ले जाएंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर हमने न्यू भी लेने हैं दोबारा फिर अगले साल ले आएंगे अभी ये पीछे से जो हम छोटे गाय के बच्चे हैं ये 3-3 लाख 2-2 लाख जो खीरे हैं मतलब 1 साल का 12 मंथ में जो मंथ का होता है ना बच्चा वो हमें 3 लाख 3.5 लाख में मिल रहा है तो फिर अभी ये 1.5 लाख का दे के फिर हमने 3 लाख का लेना है ना दोबारा तो बेहतर है कि यही रख लें अगले साल के लिए
नहीं, लेकिन फिर जब 4 दांत हो जाते हैं 5 दांत हो जाते हैं तो उम्र भी तो हो जाती है ना, फिर भी मुश्किल नहीं होती?
रेट नहीं मिलना प्रॉपर तो फिर बेचने का फायदा तो क्या
रख के क्या करेंगे?
2-2-3 ये ऐसा है कि कुर्बानी के बाद भी फिर सारा साल जो है वो इसका वेट इतना है कि अगर हम इसका हिसाब लगाएं 40,000 को मन तो हमारा लोकल मंडियों में बिकता है ना
बिल्कुल.
जो मुल्तान और हमारे पास
You can easily sell it.
बिल्कुल
Wonderful. Okay, so what he's telling is that, you know, God forbid, what people do is that, you know, people will come and, you know, for example, if he's asked for 500,000 rupees, people will say 100,000. You know, it does not really seem very fair because all throughout the year, they're making sure that they're going to look after their animals, you know, bring in for the sacrificial purpose. And they say that, you know, if that's what people are going to do, what's better for us is to take the animal back, because otherwise you go to any other mandi around in Multan or elsewhere, you can sell a man for 40,000 rupees. So which means that, you know, man 40,000 rupees, ladies and gentlemen, can actually still give them a lot of money. So people really need to be reasonable on this. You know, people certainly do not have to come across, you know, such situations where they actually do not give them their fair price. And I think वो जो सही कीमत है वो जरूर देनी चाहिए. Thank you, Numan bhai. Shukriya. Is actually from Fateh Jang. You can take a look around. I think that he can literally be, or it can literally be friends with me. And it's wonderful to have them over here. Just look at him. It's just so beautiful, beautiful breed. It's from Fateh Jang. So I'm obviously not going to put my hand into its mouth because you never know what's going to happen next. But that's the kind of animal you want, you know, just fine around kids, you know, fine at home, because their handlers can obviously handle them. You know, they're used to of them coming in, feeding them, watering them and whatnot. But with kids and family, it can get a little difficult. And I'm just going to take him for a walk, you know, so let's go. Aja Shahzade, Chaudhary. All right, ladies and gentlemen, obviously, because I've spoken it before that, there are a lot of people coming in, to purchase the sacrificial animals, and I just came across this Bhaijan. Assalamu alaikum, Bhaijan.
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाह।
वो बरकातहू, वो जन्नतुल हलाल, वो दोज़खुल हराम। भाईजान, क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहम्मद शाहजेब जलाल फरीदी।
मोहम्मद शाहजेब जलाल फरीदी। बाकी किधर हैं? 4 नाम बताए आपने, बंदा अकेला आ गया। ओके,
जलाल मेरी कौम है और फरीदी मैं निस्बत से लगाता हूँ हजरत बाबा फरीदुद्दीन गंज शकर रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की निस्बत के साथ।
माशाल्लाह। अच्छा भाईजान, सो यू आर ओवर हियर टू बाय अ काउ फॉर योरसेल्फ। आप बैल खरीदने हैं अपने लिए?
यार बैल का बजट तकरीबन 2-2.25 लाख रुपया है हमारे पास, पर बजट के मुताबिक यहाँ पर चीज़ें जो पिछले साल से इस साल ज़्यादा महंगी हो गई हैं।
What Faridi Saab over here is saying is that my budget is 200,000 rupees, but this time around the mandi is really expensive. And so भाईजान इधर आए ना, जरा सौदा तो कराए ना इनका। उनको 2 लाख में मिलता है यहाँ से कुछ? Because we have had फतेह जंगी का। ये देखें ना, अब ये आपके ख्याल में ये कितने का होना चाहिए?
कितने का, क्या आपकी डिमांड क्या है इसकी?
मान भाई 6.5 लाख इसका? मान जी फतेह जंगी तो ठीक है, इधर है ना, कोई डील बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं। So he's saying that for this Fateh Jangi cow, which I actually took for a walk, he's saying 650,000 rupees. But मुझे सिर्फ इतनी बात बताएं, जो हमने पीछे बैल देखे थे वो कहाँ से आए हैं?
वो पंजाब वाली साइड।
वो पंजाब वाली साइड से हैं। उनका वजन भी ज्यादा है, उनकी हाइट भी ज्यादा है, लेकिन इसके पैसे क्यों ज्यादा है?
इसके खूबसूरती के हैं जी, ये ब्रांड बन चुका है जी फतेह
जंगी।
बिल्कुल ब्रांड है जी।
तो कोई पता कैसे चलता है कि ये वाकई फतेह जंगी है कि नहीं है?
नहीं फतेह जंगी नस्ल
ये सवाल है ना। देखें
जो वाइट है ना, जो मतलब जो लोग नहीं लोग इसके जो शौकीन है, उन्हें तो वो 1 किलोमीटर से पता चल जाता है ये फतेह जंगी है या पंजाब वाली।
That's true. So people obviously know which one's फतेह जंगी and which one's not. लेकिन फरीदी भाई का जो रेट है जो इनके पास है वो है 2 लाख रुपया। 2 लाख रुपए में आपके पास क्या चीज ऐसी है जो आप इनको दे के बेच सकते?
गिफ्ट देने के लिए फरीदी भाई ले आए यार 2 लाख।
Now, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to get successful over here. Faridi bhai is going to probably get a cow in 200,000 rupees.
बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट है।
अच्छा, कितना डिस्काउंट है?
जितना आप बोलेंगे।
जितना हम बोले कि मतलब 10-15 हजार में तो नहीं दे देंगे?
यार भाई वो इसमें चीज भी तो कोई होनी चाहिए ना देखने वाली, के जो अच्छी चीज हो कोई।
ये है ना,
हाँ
ये
जी।
तो
अब ये तो नहीं ना,
हमारी एक साल पहले जो हमारी खरीद है वो 3-3.5 लाख की है।
All right, well, obviously, with Numan bhai, I've mentioned this, but imagine he's saying that I'm going to give Faridi bhai a cow for 200,000 rupees. Let's see which one that cow is for, or probably more discount as well. Numan bhai, so good to see educated people over here. So this is Faridi bhai, what you can get in 200,000 rupees. ये दिखाएं जरा please.
अब ये देखें, ये चीज है मैं लेकर जाऊंगा।
अल्लाह की चीज है, चलो ऐसे नहीं कहते, लेकिन
चीज है पर हम जहरी बात है, कोई चीज खूबसूरत चीज लेकर जाएंगे ना।
आपने मोहल्ले वालों को दिखानी है, कुर्बानी करनी है।
यार कुर्बानी नहीं, अपने दिल को। अब आप अपने बच्चे के लिए कोई चीज लेते हैं, बेटी के लिए कोई
बेस्ट
चीज
लेते हैं, बेस्ट।
अपने वालदैन के लिए लेते हैं, आप कहते हैं मैं अच्छी चीज दूं, है जी। तो फिर अल्लाह की राह में कुर्बानी करना, तो मतलब फिर उसमें भी क्या है, जो मिल जाए बाजी कुर्बानी
तो
कर
फिर रेट थोड़ा बढ़ा लेना।
सर रेट तो मतलब हम ढूंढे
3-3.5 लाख में हो सकता है, हमें कोई और अच्छा मिल जाए नुमान भाई से,
3-3.5 लाख में
है ना? है कोई 3
इनमें से
तक?
तो नहीं हो सकता,
इनमें भी नहीं हो सकता।
पीछे
इधर हो सकता है। इधर है ना, जरा इधर है ना, जगह बदल लेते हैं। सो विल सी ओवर हियर। फरीदी भाई को आज कुछ दे के भेजेंगे इंशाल्लाह। इनमें से आपको कौन सा पसंद आता है, पहले ये बात करते हैं।
देखिए पहले तो मैं चेक करूंगा ना कि जानवर किस तरह का है, कोई मतलब खोल के दिखाएं कोई 1-2 जानवर।
आप बताएं ना कौन सा खोल के दिखाएं।
मैं चेक करता हूँ ना इन्हें कि
So Faridi bhai is going to go around, take a look, and he's looking whether what he likes the most, because obviously for the sacrificial animal, ladies and gentlemen, you certainly have to make sure that it's the most beautiful, it's the most outstanding.
भाई को ऐसा करते हैं ना, उन्हें वाइट पसंद है ना, तो हम उससे कम कीमत में, बल्कि उसकी हाफ कीमत में हम वाइट ही दे देते हैं।
Oh, ji, so what Numan bhai is saying is that if he loves white cows, what we're going to do is that not Fateh Jangi, because they're really expensive for their breed, but we're going to give him white, something which is beautiful.
चाहिए भी फतेह जंगी ना।
अब तो फिर आप ना लेने वाली बातें कर रहे हैं ना।
फतेह जंगी मुझे चाहिए ना।
5 लाख से ऊपर जो अच्छा जानवर है फतेह जंगी, वो 5 लाख से ऊपर है।
बांधा होगा ना, आप तो मंडी में ले आए ना आप जानवर।
वो तो जारी बात है, शायद हो सकता है आपको 2 लाख में अच्छा मिल जाए।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the real essence of breaking a deal.
बछड़ा ये ले आए हैं एक,
और ये खूबसूरत बछड़ा लग रहा है वैसे।
हाँ लग रहा तो खूबसूरत है, पर हम इसे देखते हैं ना जरा, कोई चाल ढाल देरी बात है, इसको चला कर चेक करेंगे कोई किस तरह का। अभी भी ये मस्ती कर रहा है, ये तो घर जाएगा ही नहीं। ये देख।
बच के फरीदी भाई बंदे बने ना, अब आप भी तो बंदे बने ना थोड़े से।
यार मैं क्या करूं, देखो वो पीछे जा रहा है।
यार जानवर तो खूबसूरत है।
नहीं जानवर तो खूबसूरत है, अब देखे एकदम तो सौदा नहीं बनेगा ना, जब तक दिल को कोई चीज भाएगी तो तभी ना।
अब यार ये दिल को नहीं पा रही तो इतना खूबसूरत है माशाल्लाह।
तो खूबसूरत चीज है।
देखे कैमरा फेरे ना शर्फ अल्फीम भाई। अच्छा जी मैं जरा इधर आ जाना।
निकाला एक हाँ
ऑलराइट सो आई थिंक
खून भी निकल रहा है इसका।
नहीं
यार
खून
वो
तो नहीं
वैसे
निकल
वो वैसे उसने फेंका है, वैसे कर रहे हो और कोई।
ऑलराइट सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दीस थिंग्स यू रियली नीड टू चेक। लेकिन फरीदी भाई लेना है तो बात करो।
यार लेने में तो ठीक है चीज, अभी हम अभी मंडी में ही घुसे हैं, हमें थोड़ा सा घूम तो लेने दो, हमें क्या पता है इससे।
ओके सो दिस इज एन एक्सक्यूज व्हिच बायर्स ठीक है हाँ सो दिस इज एन सो
हम अब इस पे शक नहीं करते कि आपने चीज हमें अच्छी नहीं दिखाई,
हाँ।
आपने अच्छी दिखाई है, पर जब आप मंडी में
इधर आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ
यार जब आप
प्राइस में अभी आप मंडी में ऐसा जानवर कोई 3 लाख रुपए डिमांड करे तो मेरे पास आए।
एग्जैक्टली
ऐसे जानवर का 4 लाख 4.5 लाख डिमांड।
ये भी फतेह जंगी है,
नहीं ये फतेह जंगी नहीं है ना।
फतेह जंगी होता तो मैंने 3 लाख इसका क्यों मांगना था आपसे।
ये पंजाब साइड का।
नहीं ये राजनपुर का नुकरा है, ये भी ऐसे ही एक ब्रांड है जैसे वो फतेह जंगी है, लेकिन
फतेह जंगी वाली बात नहीं है।
यार फतेह जंगी फर्स्ट नंबर पे ये बात।
हाँ, तो फिर 6 लाख रुपया भी देना पड़ेगा ना।
यार हम इसके पास आए हैं कि कुछ शफकत करें, हमें सस्ता दे दें यार लोग।
शफकत क्या करे उन्होंने ईद नहीं मनानी।
यार ईद तो मनानी है हमसे।
अच्छा आप मैक्सिमम बजट क्या है आपका?
यार हम थोड़ा बजट बढ़ा देंगे,
बढ़ाए ना कितना?
हम बढ़ा देंगे 50,000 रुपया और बढ़ा देंगे।
2.5 लाख।
हाँ मतलब इतना बढ़ा देंगे, कोई चीज तो नजर आए ना यार, कोई मतलब हमें कोई उम्मीद की किरण।
थैंक यू बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच फरीदी भाई, आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया। Ladies and gentlemen, you know the sole purpose to kind of make you witness that how the entire process of purchasing and selling actually goes around in a bakra mandi. So what happens is when the people are not willing to buy it, even if it is within their cost, what they do is that they'll come up with excuses. अच्छा जी हम आगे से देख के आते हैं. And you know I think if anybody is to come to bakra mandi, I think what you need to do is you need to come to Noman Bhai. And why Noman Bhai? Because he wants to make a deal. You know he's not rigid. He's making sure that he's got beautiful animals over here.